experiencing the dreaded computer shutdown loop and struggling to regain control. I've personally faced this exact issue, spending countless hours troubleshooting until I found multiple reliable solutions. Now I'm sharing these proven strategies with you. Many users need to fix computer stuck on by computer screen won't open BIOS, and understanding the core problem is key. Our first approach involves a full power cycle and removing all extra devices. This often clears out any leftover electrical charges or temporary software glitches that might be preventing the system from starting correctly. By disconnecting everything, we force the computer to reset its basic connections, which can often resolve minor conflicts that block the boot process. Next, we look at resetting the CMOS. This tiny battery on your motherboard holds important settings for your computer startup, like the date and time and how it tries to boot. If these settings get corrupted, your computer might not know how to turn on properly or access the BIOS. Clearing the CMOS forces these settings back to their factory defaults, giving your computer a fresh start. Then, we focus on checking internal hardware connections. Loose memory sticks or data cables can cause the computer to get stuck or refuse to boot. Making sure everything is seated tightly helps the computer find all its parts and communicate with them correctly, which is vital for a smooth startup. Finally, we consider BIOS recovery or workarounds. Sometimes the computer's basic input-output system itself can get confused or damaged. Exploring specific keys or jumpers can sometimes force the BIOS to load or allow a workaround to access it, even when standard methods fail, letting us fix deeper issues. These methods work by addressing the fundamental ways your computer starts up.